All right, today I want to share with you something we do as a builder right before we insulate. So one thing we want to always know is what is in these walls before we cover them up. So before we cover them up, we'll actually go around and we will have someone shoot a video just like this, stand on the other side of this video, and they walk around and document exactly what is in this house. So if I was over here, I want to know where my backing's at inside of a wall. I'm going to stand here like this and I'm going to go through and I'm going to actually measure this. I got backing from 30 inches up to 34 and a half. I'm going to measure how far, off the ceiling this is. So I'm going to have 8.5 inches down from the ceiling. I'm going to look and document what is inside, what's up here for backing for my cabinets on the ceiling. So I'm going to go into my bathroom and I'm going to check my bathroom and I'm going to measure everything so I know where everything's at. I want to be able to see where all of these wires are at in the wall and all my pipes, everything else in the house. So we make sure we cover every inch of every wall and go through every ceiling and get dimensions on everything we know we're going to need in the future. So the other thing we do is we go around and we video every wall completely from a distance without someone in that video, so we can see the entire wall and every part of the ceiling. That way, if we ever have to go back, we have to find something in there, we can go right back to our video. We stop the screen right at where we need to see that space, and then we're able to blow that up and view that, and we can get some good information as to what's in that wall. One thing we like to do when we're actually recording those videos of the walls is we like to make sure the person's behind the camera is calling out what that wall is. So they're going to look at it and go, hey, this is the east wall of the house in the kitchen. This is the ceiling, the kitchen ceiling, closer to the east side, starting on the east side, moving to the west side. So you've got orientation of where you're at in that house, and you're able to go back and look at that later. So a lot of times you just take pictures. Maybe the builder knows where it's at, but what about when we turn that over to the homeowner later and they don't know all the ins and outs of the house like we did? And then what happens in 3 years when you forget where it was at? So this allows us to document and go back and really put together a picture of what's in that wall. Someone might want to add on to their house later, or maybe there's an issue in a wall that happens. Someone drives something through, hits something in a wall. We want to know what that is so we can get back there and repair it with the most, the least amount of damage possible. So that's something that we as a builder do before we actually insulate. We make sure we go through and get really good documentation on what's in that house. So make sure you take that step before you insulate. So if you'd like more information about building a custom home, building an ADU, or doing a whole house remodeling project, you can visit our website at freemansconstruction.com. If you'd like help with your real estate needs, you can visit our real estate company's website at freemansrealty.com. Thanks again for watching.